Hello everyone, I just thought I'd share a little update on the PID tuner. I've implemented a landing phase now, so the idea is now it can fly up to the altitude, stay there, and then return back. The remaining parts is I want to be able to return to the original launch coordinates within a 2 meter error radius, because at the moment it likes to sort of drift around, but hopefully I can add a system in to prevent that from happening. So another system I would like to do is try and eliminate steady state error, because if you look over here I'm getting quite a high amount of steady state error over here, and I'm looking at a tuning guide on Wikipedia, but it's not working out, so I'm going to look in some forums and try and help out on that. But yeah, let's sort of demonstrate this. So the landing phase kicks in. I know the code is messy, I am definitely going to be cleaning it up, so don't worry. But I've set it so you can decide when it will begin the landing phase. So let's say it's got 75% fuel remaining, or I'll do 70% just so the video's not too long. Put up KSP, got your craft, and let's go. And what you see here is it'll launch up. Now I do have, I do want it to hit 350 meters from the surface, which is about 420 meters, but you will see we are getting some steady state error here, which is, it's annoying, but it's not the end of the world. As you can see, this one's not drifting too much. It's drifting a little bit, but not too bad. And you can see we've used 80% of the fuel that was in the craft originally, and when it hits 0.7, you'll actually see it'll begin the landing phase now. So it'll begin that right around now. So in the next 3 seconds, 3, 2, and 1. There we go. Engines are shutting down, and it's just falling back down to Earth, or carbon rather. Then the engine fires up and touchdown. It's a bit aggressive, I know, but all I need to do is try and eliminate that steady state error. Once again, get it to land on launch pad, and it should be fine. If you're wondering why it sort of falls a bit, that's because I couldn't get a function working in the code. In the KRPC library, I tried, I just couldn't get it to work, so in the end I ended up just creating a little function here. So if the absolute value of the error is less than 2 and the overall speed of the vessel is less than 3, then we're going to end this landing loop and set throttle to 0. But yeah, that's been an update on the PID controller for KSP. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.